Hello, my name is Daniel Plummer, and I have a master's in mathematics from Howard University. I'd like to thank my advisor, Dr. Lawrence C. Washington at the University of Maryland, College Park. My hometown is Vallejo, California, and the title of my abstract is The Comeback of Bitcoin and Blockchain Technology. Okay. This paper is organized as follows. First, a definition and discussion of digital signatures and digital cash is given. Next, an application of digital signatures and data encryption to blockchain technology is explored. And finally, Bitcoin's price rebound and how Bitcoin and blockchain technology has encouraged the growth of technology companies and app payment methods. Well, what is digital cash or electronic cash? In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, which sought to solve the problem of double spending, which is inherent in digital coin. Nakamoto and Oda had previously outlined 6 properties that are necessary for a successful digital cash system. A piece of cash can be divided into smaller amounts. It can be transferred to other people. The transaction can be completed offline. The spender of the cash must remain anonymous. The cash cannot be copied or reused. And the cash can be sent securely through computer networks. In order to facilitate this process, you need authenticity, integrity, privacy, and security. The first successful person in this endeavor was Adam Beck with Hashcash. It was designed to deter email spammers by forcing them with a computational puzzle challenge that required their email server to solve the puzzle and then produce a coin or a token. For example, find X so that the last 5 digits of 3 to the X are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The solution is 4,996, and now this solution must be attached to the email that was originally sent. The Hashcash CPU cost function considers computational energy work. It gives a server the challenge function that must mint a coin as proof of solving the computational puzzle. Well, then how does Bitcoin and cryptocurrency come into this? Well, Bitcoin is in fact electronic coin, a blockchain of signatures that owners transfer to one another by hashing and time stamping the proof of work algorithm. Here, we see a Merkle tree that has a block header, and in this block header, you have the root hash. The root hash contains all the previous transactions on the blockchain. At the bottom, you can see transactions 0 through 3 are then hashed into a function, which are then hashed again by merging all the way up to the root hash. Here, we see a simplified cryptographic hash function where the message is divided into 4 blocks. Then the blocks are all scrambled or mixed, and then they're concatenated, which means they're brought back together to give you a final scrambled message. Well, in Bitcoin, the proof of work algorithm stands for a value that when it's hashed by SHA-256, the hash begins with a number of 0 bits, which indicates success. Many people are concerned that blockchain technology is subject to attacks to the cryptographic hash function. But if we use Moore's law, which suggests that processor speeds double every 2 years, one guess is that it would take 2 to the 80 calculations in order to find a usable collision for SHA-1 in Bitcoin. If we look at Bitcoin's price over the last few years, we see that in December 2017, Bitcoin had a high of 17,900 US dollars. Then it dropped to $5,057 in April 2019. If we go back 5 months to March 17th, 2020, Bitcoin's price was $5,002. And then currently, as of August 2020, Bitcoin is trading at a price of 11,700 US dollars. So in that 5-month period, it was the same as over an 18-month period. So you had an approximate growth of 133.9%. Many speculate that the United States national coin shortage, in which they shut down the mints due to COVID-19, has convinced many investors and international trading partners to begin trading in Bitcoin, which is becoming recognized as a stable international currency. There are many proposals for cryptocurrency. One of those was put forth by myself, Daniel Plummer, while participating in a Google hackathon in 2018. The concept is to have an e-commerce site that accepts blockchain technology or cryptocurrencies. One can now set up an Amazon Business Services account and list products for sale that are approved by Amazon, and immediately take advantage of the fact that Amazon Web Services accepts debit cards, credit cards, as well as blockchain technology. Specifically, Amazon, the store, Amazon.com, accepts Bitcoin as a form of currency. In addition, Amazon and Amazon Web Services are working with Harar Token in Jakarta, Indonesia, to assist migrant farmers, or native farmers, I should say, in Indonesia to understand rice crop production by inputting all of their data into the cloud. This information is then used to conduct statistical analysis of when are good watering methods, what are the best methods of the year, or what time of the year is the best time to plant seeds, as well as measuring water levels throughout the year. When farmers input their data into the cloud, Harar Token gives the farmers a token such as Hashcash does a proof-of-work algorithm. Farmers can then use these tokens to go to stores and exchange these tokens for fertilizer, tools, and other necessary items to assist them in their farming endeavors. The conclusion is that SHA-256 and SHA-3 can still be used for the proof-of-work algorithm and blockchain technology, because even with quantum computing speeds improving, there is no usable attack on SHA-1 or SHA-256. Bitcoin uses SHA-256, and there is already a SHA-3 that exists. In addition, blockchain technology will dominate all global commerce in the near future. Digital signatures and cryptographic hash functions should begin using randomized hash functions as outlined by Phipps publication 800-106 for added security. And as stated earlier, Amazon Web Services, and Harar Token are currently researching precision agriculture and rice production in Jakarta, Indonesia. And with that, I'd like to thank everyone who made it possible for me to be here. Thank you very much.